Good luck, buddy. Here we go. Westey's 2-box break. 13-14 here on Prospects. Oh, Walking Dead's over in my time zone. I've got it on the PVR, though, so if I don't pass out the second I get home, which is possible, I'll catch up on that tonight. We start with base. And we've got an autograph of Jake Virtanen. That's not a bad one. Jake Virtanen autograph. Class of 2014, Julius Honka. Julius Honka. I like that name. 10th anniversary, Jonathan Drouin. Jonathan Drouin. Base. We've got a 2-color game-used jersey black Robbie Fabry. Robbie Fabry. Base. Whoa. We've got an autograph of Anthony Mantha. Dun, 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 dun. Westy wins. Anthony Mantha. Base. 10th anniversary, Nicholas Petan. Nicholas Petan. Class of 2014, Leon Draisaitl. Draisaitl. Nice. We've got a Subway Super Series jersey and auto silver. Numbered to 19, Bo Horvat. Bo Horvat out of 19. Oh, half that. We've got a Subway Super Series game-used jersey black, Nicholas Petan. Nicholas Petan. Base. Autograph, Samuel Morin. Samuel Morin. Tenth anniversary, Madison Bowie. And base. On box 2. Anthony Mantha, 20th overall pick of the Detroit Red Wings last year. That makes me very happy. The point where I've already got a sizable PC. We start with an autograph of Josh Morrissey. Josh Morrissey. We've got a Subway Super Series game-used jersey black, Connor McDavid. Connor McDavid. Tenth anniversary, Jonathan Drouin. Jonathan Drouin. Base. Class of 2014, Sam Bennett. Sam Bennett. Class of 2014, Anthony D'Angelo. Tenth anniversary, Nicholas Patan. Nicholas Patan. Base. Well, hopefully you want to start a PC of this guy, Westy. We've got a complete jersey gold. 1 of 1. Bo Horvat. Complete jersey gold 101. Bo Horvat. He's no Anthony Mantha, but that ain't bad. Base. We've got an autograph of Alexander Protopovich. That's Protopovich. We've got a game used jersey black Matt Fontaine. Base. Damn it, Nashville. You had the lead. 10th anniversary at Madison Bowie. I die a little inside every time, Westy. Class of 2014, Ivan Barbashev. Top prospects, 2-color game used jersey black, Anthony Duclair. Anthony Duclair. Base. And we finish with an autograph of Ivan Barbashev. Ivan Barbashev. And now for your 1 of 1s. We start with a game used jersey 1 of 1, Emile Poirier. Emile Poirier. And the second 1 of 1 is a 1-color but with big fat seam game used jersey, and I know Westy will appreciate this one being at West. Matthew Barzal. Matthew Barzal. So there we go, buddy.